Hi everyone, I am V and welcome to my lifestyle channel where you can find DIY, home decor, cook with me, shopping, decorating, styling, world travel and much more. Stay tuned and see what I have for you.
In the last video I show you how I used the Dollar Tree black and white paper to face the drawer, and also in the previous video I show you how I did this here. But I'm getting ready to put I actually built these drawers here for extra storage for my makeup because I don't have a dressing room. So I'm trying to make the best of what I have. So I have my brushes here for my makeup, but then I have this piece here. I think this is an office piece, and I thrifted it, I think, for like $1. And I want to put some of the paper here on it. This is the paper from the Dollar Tree. I also have like a stack of this paper right here, the marble look, but I'm thinking I'm just loving the Dollar Tree paper a little bit more at the moment. And the reason why I'm going to put the contact paper on here, it's a Lazy Susan, and I could put my brush in here and spin it around. But the piece have seen better days. Not only that, I constantly have to wipe it down because looking for a brush with makeup on my hand, it just look a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and put some contact paper around this and then come back and show you. So I am finished with the piece, and this is how it is looking. I was going to take the paper all the way down, but then I changed my mind because with touching the makeup while I am, and I reach for this, this is all covered right here. So all I have to do is just go ahead and just wipe it down. So this is what this is looking like now. So this turned out actually better than I thought it was going to be. And I even have space for my finishing powder and some of my brushes, eyeliner, concealers, color pencils, like everything is like to my reach. So now I could pick it up, doing my makeup, and I wouldn't mess it up. So that is a DIY. I also have this right here. This is from the Dollar Tree, the napkins and the napkin holder. And I like that it's clear as the other pieces that I have over here. So guys, this is it for this video.
So guys, this is also another DIY. I actually did a video how I turn this regular candle stand into this. So check out the other video.
Hi everybody. So I am showing you this table here. I've thrifted this table a while back. It was white at one point and I sprayed it gold, but to go with my bathroom, I want to put it to my bathroom. I had another, for where I'm going to put this piece, I had another piece that I wanted to put that wasn't in its place, but now that I put the curtains up, I think this is too big, and I'm going to show you the area where I was thinking about putting it. So this here is a pretty table that I like, and I say pretty because I love lace and all of that, and this is what this edge remind me of. I purchased this table many moons ago from this store called AJ Wright. They are out of business. It was something like Ross stores, and I can't remember if it was black and I sprayed it gold, but it was a different color. And here's this garbage can. I think I found this. I have it like over 15 years now, and it's just been sitting in the garage through the move and from garage to garage, and I finally decided I'm going to use it. So I don't know what color I'll paint it yet, maybe white or maybe black, I don't know. I also have another piece here, sorry for the noise, that I also thrifted. Is this garbage can right here, and I want to use this in this space. Yes, two garbage cans. This one will be used for garbage, but the other one, this one here, and I thrifted this one here maybe like 3 years ago, and this is what I keep in here on the side of the toilet area, and I'm gonna show you my reasoning for keeping it there, and on the side of the tub where I was thinking about using the tables. So the table, at one point I had it right in the corner here, but it sort of sticks over the tub a bit, so I went and got the other one, and this one I think is more fitting for it. So let me put both of them there and show it to you. So now that I put the curtain, this piece is like jamming up against the curtain, and that's how it was. Let me put the other one that I feel like is more suitable, and I'll show you the reason why I wanted to put a little table there. So this is the table, and it does not compete with the curtain. Like on the other one, I could not move the curtains back and forth. It was jammed up against it. And my intent for this is to put my Epsom salt on this area. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the table and show you how it looks. I also have this rack here, and it's in a brown color, but I wanted black. I paid $2 for this. This was also thrifted a few years now. I have it, never used it. And yeah, I actually want to hang some towels on the rack in this corner right here. This corner right here next to the curtains, and it's right next to the tub right here. So the next thing you're going to see is me putting these pieces after spray painting and then putting it together. Now that I have the two pieces sprayed up, and I did it in sort of matte black like I did the other one, and this is the last video that I think was the last one you've seen from me. And this is a piece that I made for a collaboration. I also have this here, this little niche over the tub, and I have these two ginger jars here. Those were thrifted and were $1 a piece, and I want to use them in this space, but I don't know in what capacity and what color. I may spray paint them because they don't match anyway throughout my decor. So that's another project. So right here between the oh, sorry, between the curtain and this area right here, I want to put the towel rack. And this area is a cutout, and right here I would like to put like a huge, quite a larger one than this one on this wall here. Actually this wall here, but it will be this wall here. It will be another project. So after the quarantine. So let me go ahead and put the table in the corner, and let me show you the reason why I'm putting the table in the corner. So I went ahead and I put some anchors in the wall so I could hang the piece, and this is what it looks like. It's this plastic piece that you drill a hole into the wall. You could use the same screw or you could use another. This is the screw that comes in the package with it. So I'm gonna go ahead, now that I drilled the hole and then I put the anchor in, it's a plastic anchor, I'm gonna go ahead and screw this into the wall and then hang the piece. So it is hung in place, and I didn't put any, it has two places to hold the screws, but I only put it in one because I know that this could hold the weight of it. And the reason why I put the anchor, I could have do the push pins, but this the rack itself is very heavy. It's very heavy, solid wrought iron. So this is how it's looking, and I'm going to add some towels, but first we're going to address the side of the tub right here where I'm going to put the table. This is what the table is looking like in the corner. Painting it black, I think like it almost disappeared. And on the side right here, that is the towel rack. So this is the idea that I have for the table. So in one of my videos, I shown you this jar that I thrifted. It was actually fake fruits in it when I thrifted it. And I decided to go ahead and use this one to put like my Epsom salt. I don't want to make this video too long. Let me go ahead and see how long this is going to be, and then I'll just go ahead and finish this off. So guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish off the video, but this is what we have done so far in this corner here. We're going to address this one soon, and this is what we did today. I'm going to show you the garbage can and the other stuff in another video. Guys, please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate you all for watching. Bye-bye.